What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to interconnect your Trojan wallet with your Phantom wallet. To do this, the process is really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Open up your Phantom wallet on your phone or simply open up your Phantom wallet on your Chrome extension. Once you open it, simply head over to the top left corner, click on here and go to settings. Once you're in your settings, head over to security and privacy, or you can head over to manage accounts. Here select your main account and head over to show private key. Enter password to get your private key, and once you have got your private key, head back to your Trojan Bot and simply go to settings right here. Go and click on settings, and once you are in your settings, what you need to do is go to wallets, and once you are here, go to import wallet, and once you click here, it will ask you to proceed with import. Simply go and click on proceed with import, and once you click on here, go and paste your private key in order to interconnect both wallets. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.